Welcome, food explorers, ready to taste, test, and discover? Today's big question is, what happens when you cook an egg? Does it change? Can heat really do that all by itself? Here's one egg, still in its shell. And here are two others that have been cracked into bowls. Look at that. It's all wiggly and clear with a yellow center. What do you think will happen when we heat it up? Whoa, look at that. The clear part turned white. The egg changed. Just from heat. Now it's a fried egg. No mixing, no tools, just heat made it change. Now it's solid and ready to eat. That's the science of cooking. So cool. Can you wiggle like a raw egg? Now stand tall like a cooked egg. You just transformed, just like the egg. You did it. You're an egg explorer now. Ask a grown-up to help you print and color your badge, and keep asking big questions about little bites.